Mastering Theater Etiquette, a guide for every audience member. Hello, and welcome. Today, we're going to explore the world of theater etiquette. Whether you're a first-timer or a seasoned theatergoer, understanding the do's and don'ts of theater behavior is crucial. So, let's dive into the nuances of proper conduct to ensure an enjoyable experience for everyone. Theater etiquette refers to the code of polite behavior in the environment of a theater or playhouse. It's not just about following rules. It's about ensuring that everyone, including you, the performers, and other audience members, has a wonderful and uninterrupted experience. Arrive early. Rushing in at the last minute can cause disruptions. Aim to be there at least 20 to 30 minutes before the show starts. Dress appropriately. While there's no strict dress code, wearing smart casual attire shows respect for the performers and fellow audience members. Silence your phone. This is crucial. A ringing phone or message alerts can break the magical spell of a performance. Keep quiet. Conversations, whispering, or even humming can be distracting. Save your thoughts for the intermission or after the performance. Respect the performers and fellow audience members. Avoid getting up frequently. If you must leave, do so quietly and swiftly. No recording. Not only is it often illegal, but the light from your screen can be very distracting. Applaud appropriately. Applauding is a way to show your appreciation for the performance. Wait until the end of a scene or the performance to clap. Stay for the bows. It's a sign of respect to the performers. Plus, you wouldn't want to miss the final act of appreciation. Remember, a trip to the theater is a special event, and your conduct contributes to the magic of the performance. By following these guidelines of theater etiquette, you'll ensure that you, and everyone else, enjoys the show to the fullest. Thank you for watching, and we hope you have a fantastic theater experience.